Hello all. Today we are going to talk about how to create the VM, with the by default option. So as you can see the screen, I have given the VM name, that is the KP expert. Okay. Now which compartment we are creating? So by default, whatever the compartment it is there, I'm selecting from here actually. We can create our own compartment also, but as of now in this video, I'm not going to create any compartment. Okay. So from next one is that availability domain. You can change the availability domain, but by default I'm choosing the availability domain to place that our created VM. Here we can change the image and shape also, but here you can see the change image it is there. Okay, so you depend upon the business requirement, depend upon the application requirement, we can create that, we can choose the our images actually. As of now, by default, I'm choosing the Oracle Linux, so we can go with the Oracle Linux. Next video, we can choose the some other CPS like a Red Hat, right? Like a CentOS, Ubuntu, based on that application requirement, based on that business requirement. Okay, just you can choose that. And now here you can see that, you know under that what are the things it will be coming. Save, that is the VM coming. Save build, that is the VM virtual machine, 1 core CPU, 12 GB memory, and 1 GBs network bandwidth coming. Okay, so these are the options are there. Now by default I'm choosing all the options like a security, networking, storage part, and other steps actually. Okay, just press the next button. Here, as I told you, as of now we are creating the VMs without without giving that our all the options. As of now, whatever the by default option it is there, we are choosing the same actually. Okay, just putting the next option. Here we can select that, whatever the existing virtual cloud network it is there. As of now we have that virtual cloud network, I mean that is the VNC Terraform. We have kept the name. Okay, then here we can select that public and private, whatever the public subnet and private subnet, we can select it. And then again, we are going to select that by default. Here you can paste your public key. How to create the public key? Using the putty key generator, you can create the public key and private key actually. Okay, so as of now I have created the public key from their point of view. Okay, their point of view, all things are places. Now we are going to press the next button. Okay, so now this is the things it will be there. Okay, let's see that all the information. What is the VM name, compartment name, availability domain name, image detail, save detail, whatever the save detail management tags, that those are the value are default option it is there. So we are good to as of now we are good to proceed that actually. Okay, so let's create the VM actually. See here, VM is started creating that. Create the instance in progress. Complete 5% it is there. This is that, information it will be there. From there you can get it. Work request you can get it actually. Okay, from the work request option you can get it. If you want to more detail about that, just go to detailing tab. Here you can see the general information like availability domain, fault domain. This is the OCID actually, and these are the information it is there actually. I mean, in some other video we are going to talk about what is the OCID, why it is required. This type of information we are going to see that. In the next tab you can see the network information. We have that like public IP4 address, what is exactly it is there. So the things are like that actually. Okay, and other, as I told you, storage part we have given all the by default option, whatever the storage it is there. Then after the next security part, all the by default option it is there. So let's see that how progress it is there actually. Okay, now here you can see that created the instance succeed. 100% instance is created, that is the date it is created, and finished also created. Here you can see that KP expert instance is running now actually. Okay, KP expert instance is running. So once you go to detailing part, you can get that more detail about that actually. Okay, hope you got all the information. I mean, hope you got the understand. Okay, uh let's meet the next video and see the progress actually. Thank you very much for watching.